Alright, so here today we have two Fascos. This one is a model 200. This one is a model, where are you at? 2001. This has been a highly requested video to run these two together. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I never got around to it. Now I am. So, as you can see, there is a difference between the two. The bottom one is Fasco with a Venturi ring and metal grills, and the frame is also squared off, unlike this one up top. Some call the bottom one the cheaper model. Some call that one the higher end model. Now, when you look at the prices for these back in the day, the bottom one is actually cheaper than the top one. So, they are right on that. The stand on it is not original. The stand is actually a McGraw-Edison stand. And I put the fan on the stand because I wanted to use it outside. So then I wanted to see what it looked like on the stand. So anyway, we'll start them both up on low. They're both very loud. Especially together, they're both very loud. Now these are 2-speed models. I don't think they made a 3-speed model of these. We're gonna bump them up to high. And then we'll go to off. I wonder which one's going to stop first. Looks like it's going to be the top one. I don't know. You want to be close. Till the cat messes it up. No, it looks like the top one. So anyway, that is it. And until next time.